Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Mystery Cash. And for today, uh, but please first give support to this channel. This is a brand new channel with how to make money online or with cryptocurrency. This is my channel, so please give support. Subscribe if you want. Uh, Turn on notification bell and like if you want. And for today I will have represent a long-term project, one of the best platform who who keep the record for almost a year. This platform is exist almost a year, but before go to the platform, let's go on Trustpilot, just see the rating of the platform, how much people uh, uh, how people see this platform. Let's see. uh, I'm into Trustpilot because Trustpilot is a is a platform. Uh, it's a platform. Yes, it's a page uh, where everyone can come and leave a review for some site or platform. Never mean positive or negative, but for this platform, as you can see, it's the percent is very big. It's very big. Uh, they have 613 positive, and they are all positives. Here simply there is no negative review. Just make your own research. If you want, come here. If you have some another source to check this platform, check it. But guys, this is a very big percent, 4.9. I mean that another platform doesn't have this rating. So uh, many people believe in this platform, also come here and have invested. I think that the platform have more than 10,000 users or less. I think it's more than 10,000. Let's go to my account and see. Here also you have as a free user. First you must go to create your account. Let's go. I for example, click your username, your email, your country, your password, and your referral code. After that, click this reCAPTCHA and agree with the policy and register. After that, you must pass the QIC verification. Let's go to my account and see what's going on there. First, uh, uh, as a free user, you will get, I think, $25, because I made this account almost in the beginning when they create the platform. I don't know how is it now, but I think it's the same. Maybe they giving $100, I don't know. But when I was making the account, they give the $25. I As I can see now, there is a still $25 to claim as a free user, but you must pass the QIC verification. That means you must provide your ID, your passport, or some document who can prove that your identity. Even you must add an actual picture of you on the platform to be a verified user here. After that, here the possibility of earnings are unlimited, guys. If as a free user, if you don't think to invest here, you must build your team. As you can see, there is a 3 steps here. You can invite 5 partners who will pass the QIC, and then you will get a reward of $100, and after that you will be able to buy your first node. That's the and I think that is the only way to start earning on this platform in free mode. But if you choose to invest here and also build your team, you will be unstoppable here, because with only $100 investment, you will get your max returning is $400. But what happens, guys, if you go to rewards, automatically, if you buy some of the nodes, you will complete uh, uh, one of the missions here. That means if you buy a one node, you will get I'm sure for the node from $100, but for the others I don't know. If you buy a node for $100, you will get to that's mean you will able to make wait, go to nodes. If you buy one for $100, your profit will be $800. And that's not all. When you buy a node, you can double your profit. It's simple. You go to your dashboard, and after that, as you can see, I have my one node, and I'm on level 1. After that, no, it's not here. In my notes, as you can see, this is my portfolio. I already have earned $41, and after buying your node, you have the choice to come in your node and press this button, auto stake on. That's mean that you will earn double uh, if the uh, approximately you will earn $200, you will earn $400. That's mean you will buy, you will provide, uh, you will give chance to your profit to go to be doubled. So basically that's all, guys. Here there is a rewards. You can also uh, go in rewards, complete some of their missions, and claim rewards. And every day, basically, there is a gift who you can claim, and that's mean that your earning profit, it's not fixed. You can earn even much more than you expect. And let's see what this platform can other offer you. For example, if you invest $500, your your return will be $2,000. And if you invest $1,000, you will get for $4,000 you will get a 4,000. And let's go to for example to the last. If you invest 15,000, you will get $200,000, guys. That's a lot of money. And every node has a limit of buying of 5. And that's basically all. After purchasing your first node, here you will immediately start earning, guys. And here, if you comes to deposit, you can deposit in many cryptocurrencies. So that's mean I think they have maybe 8 to 10 cryptocurrency who can buy. Just wait to see payment method. I think they have more than 10. You can invest in many cryptocurrencies, and also you can withdraw in the currency you want. So the possibilities for earning here is unlimited. Even you can earn from your partners. That's so-called turnover. And uh, basically everything on this platform is super simple. You don't do anything special, just waiting to your profit to your profit to be in one place, or enough to withdraw, and just withdraw. You don't do nothing special on this platform. But if you care about your earning, you must start referring people and building your team, because your team can provide you even more and more profit. So guys, if definitely want to invest, this is the platform I recommend for everybody, because this platform, it stands almost a year and will stand for many more. This is not the kind of platform who will collapse overnight. So my recommendations are clear. If you want to invest. That's your choice. uh, and that's basically all. If you have some question, come to my Telegram group, I will explain to you. So that's it all for guys now. So see you soon, bye.